Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'll be sharing 10 tips for maximizing your hamster comeback profit per hour. For that, the number one is tap to earn. Imagine your fingers as a tireless mining pickaxe in the digital realm. Tap the screen strategically like you are unearthing valuable crypto gold. Collect those precious coins by tapping away efficiently. The more consistent and rapid your taps, the higher your points per hour will soar. The second thing is card upgrades. Invest in card that offers the best pay per hour relative to their cost. For example, the License Europe card at level 1 gives a 720 pay per hour for 500 tokens. You will recoup the cost after 6 to 7 login cycles. To Sentinel's Piranha Pass card at level 2 offers 2.03k PPS for 55.125 tokens as a solid return on investment. The third point is airdrop opportunities. Stay vigilant and strategically position yourself for airdrop. The game developers have explicitly stated that the higher PPH correlates strongly with improved chances of claiming substantial airdrop distributions. So number four is avoid low value cards. So how you can avoid low value cards is carefully scrutinize and skip cards offering less than 1000 PPS but costing over 20,000 tokens unless necessary for completing high rewards daily combos. So fifth one is daily rewards. Diligently complete daily tasks to unlock substantial token bonuses, focusing on high value targets like the rewards of 5 million tokens, combo cards, and 1 million token cipher codes for maximum daily gains. Number 6 is boost your tapping productivity. Number 7 is consistent login. Number 8 is referral program. You can invite your friends through Telegram and different mediums to gain different sort of points and tokens. So number 9 is token management. Manage your hard-earned token with financial acumen. Prioritize strategical upgrades that offer the best return on investment and avoid unnecessary or impulsive spending that could diminish your earning potentially. Number 10 is active participation. So remember that Hamster Kombat isn't a passive set it or and forget adventure. Continuously scout for profitable card opportunities, technically utilize boost, and maintain high engagement levels to maximize earning in the dynamic digital economy. So these are some 10 tips that can actually boost your pay per click and pay per hour. So I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.